Hello everyone, I'm Alice. Welcome to Clay House. Wow!
Wow!
Today, I will make pink miniature house with swimming pool, playground, bed. Cover this cardboard with blue paper. Let's make a cute cabinet. Use scissors to cut off the excess. Let's decorate it more. I will make a faucet. So cute! Next, I will make a toilet.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh,
Perfectly done.
your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls.
I will make a cute kitty mirror.
Feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us
Attach cat whiskers to this mirror.
I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so.
So beautiful mirror.
And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed it.
Next, I will make colorful stair for this house.
Be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
Wow!
So beautiful room. I will make some items in this house. Let's watch with me.
Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us bear it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Wow! Miniature house with swimming pool, playground bed is finished. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Playhouse love you.